My doctor misdiagnosed my medical condition. Can I sue my doctor for the misdiagnosis? Hello, I'm Marcus Boston, and I'm a medical malpractice attorney practicing law in the state of Maryland, and I would like to talk with you today about a question that comes up from time to time. We have individuals that will call us and they will ask, well, you know what? I think my doctor misdiagnosed my condition. Can I sue the doctor for the misdiagnosis? Now, before I get into the answer to that question, I want to give you a little bit of background as to how doctors go about getting to the right diagnosis, or what is the process and the procedure that the doctors take to help them get to the right diagnosis. To be able to go further, you've got to understand what is a differential diagnosis. Now, what a differential diagnosis is it's where your doctor will talk to you, take a history from you, talk to you about your complaints. Where are you feeling pain? The reason why the doctor is doing this is because the doctor is taking that information and making a list either in their mind or on paper about what are possible diagnoses that could match up with the particular complaints of the patient. The doctor will then order tests to either confirm or to rule out a particular diagnosis. And that's how doctors essentially go about trying to get to the right diagnosis for a patient. Now, with all of that said, you also got to realize that the patient plays a very important role in this process too. The patient must take the time to be truthful with his or her doctor. The patient must take the time to tell the doctor, hey doc, you know what, I've got pain here, or doc, I've got pain here on this side of my head, or doc, my stomach hurts. So again, when you're talking to your doctor in this type of situation, this is not the time to play hero. Now, if your doctor has done all of this, or you've told your doctor all of your complaints, and your doctor does not listen to your complaints, or your doctor does not perform a differential diagnosis and just pretty much guesses as to what is your medical diagnosis, then a strong argument can be made that your doctor needlessly endangered you. Now, look at it like this. I realize that you probably have more questions about this process. You probably have more concerns. You're probably trying to figure out if your doctor misdiagnosed your medical condition. Is this medical malpractice? Well, if you have these questions and concerns, and your matter and injury happened here in Maryland, this is what I invite you to do. Go ahead and pick up the phone and give me a call. I can be reached at 301-850-4832, or if you prefer, you can send me an email to medicalinjury@bostonlawllc.com. We answer medical malpractice questions like yours all the time, and I'll be glad to listen to your story. All right, guys, that's going to be it for today's quick educational video. Again, I'm Marcus Boston, and I'm one of the medical malpractice attorneys here at Boston Law Group, LLC, and we will see you next time. Guys, take care and enjoy the rest of your day.